everyone, I will show you how to download and install Tableau Desktop. Open any browser and type in www.tableau.com. Tableau web page will open like this. In this, select Products and click on Tableau Desktop. After that, click on Try it for free. In this, you need to enter your mail IDs. Here it is given as business email, but you can enter your personal mail IDs, or if you're working, you can enter your office mail IDs also. It will accept any mail ID. Then click on Download Free Trial. It will ask for Windows or Mac. If it is Windows, select Windows 64-bit. If it is Mac, go for Mac. Then a setup box will download. So it will take a few seconds to download. After that, the setup box will open like this. I have already downloaded it. So the setup box will open like this. In this, you need to check the license box as you are accepting the license agreement. Then install. It will take few minutes to install. As Tableau Desktop is valid only for 14 days, the free trial will end after 14 days. So after that, you can download it by using other mail ID, or you can use the older versions. Or else you can also go for Tableau Public. In the next video, I will show you how to sign up and use Tableau Public. If you're a student, you can sign up with a student mail ID, where you will get 1 year free license permit. If you're not student, also no need to worry. If you're having any relatives as a student, you can ask their mail IDs and you can sign up with their mail IDs. You will get a license permit for 1 year. So that the installation is done. It's very simple and takes very less time for installing. So we have successfully downloaded and installed, and it's all set to prepare visualizations, dashboards and reports. So I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.